Adjusting the temperature on your natural gas water heater is an easy way to save energy and money. Before we get started, know that every water heater tank is different. Consult your manual to understand your dial's unique location and settings. On this water heater, the triangle represents the ideal temperature, which is generally around 115 to 120 degrees. A, B, and C each have a 10-degree temperature increase, but be careful. If your temperature is set too high, the water inside could scald your family. When you go on vacation, move the dial to the low or vacation setting. This means your water heater will heat less frequently while you're away. Once you return from your trip, turn the dial back to the ideal setting. You should be able to take a warm shower within 30 minutes. For more energy-saving how-tos, visit SCANAenergy.com.